So finally we got here in Sur Cave Hotel. Right there. Beautiful. It's a different concept. Then we'll go check in and then take the luggage. But look at this, all the different fruits around and everything. Looks like it's a great idea to walk around here actually. Okay, I will ask him. You guys ready? Hey, let's get the luggage.
Yeah, let's go.
It was good. We are driving from Istanbul all the way. Oh. Nice. So we just checked it. They have a restaurant right there. I think they serve the breakfast there, so that's great. And that's the entrance. We park our car, no parking issue. Reception, he checked in us. They help us out with bringing the luggage, so that was great. And here is the main hotel, and I'm gonna show you some entry to the room now. So once you get in here, we have this room here. You come down right there, and they have some fruit bushes here, some berries, some roses and all that. And now on the grapes you can see right there, and that's the entrance. You know, in the entrance you will see there are sitting area, very nice area. The room. Before you guys open, let me see. So these are guys are here already. They are now. That's their room.
No, here. That's our room.
Oh man.
And we even have privacy curtains.
Look at that. Everything looks like cave inside. Yes.
And you're so comfy slippers.
He's using a here. And look at that.
It smells like Blue-ray Cavern.
Oh.
They have a little rock area.
Rock area says.
And it's so cool. Sur Cave.
Sur Cave.
What is
And
this?
guess what?
It's a
And that's the room for
and
kids.
this is our room. And you see this?
Oh.
You can pull this area down here to get
Oh.
privacy curtains.
Cool.
With the-
Yeah,
You don't
with
want
the-
to do that.
But look.
No privacy.
Come
And they
here.
have fridge here.
This is, this is a
Nice.
good for building. This bathroom is insane.
Yep. And the bathroom here.
Look at that. They have a bathtub.
They have a huge bathtub you can use
And
for
here's a
bath.
sink.
Sink
Here's a
like
sink
that.
and they have like conditioner, shampoo.
Wow.
And then the actual shower is so cool.
Shower is right here. That's cool. Yeah.
And they
You're
even
right.
have, and they even have
They have
stuff
shower
like
here,
that.
but look at the shower head. The shower head comes through this design right there. Looks very nice.
Everything's so beautiful. Now you can use the bathroom.
We all are in bathroom together. Nice. I have a small workspace here where do the makeup and all that.
He really did.
Very unique idea here.
Can we try the Velcro?
And then here's the main bed.
I can't reach
And
it.
then this is huge. Very nice room. We're very happy. While you're in your room, you have this a lot of plants outside, and there are butterflies all around. It's a beautiful. Why you guys put water so close to yourself?
Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
I was saying like put it right
Yeah,
there.
because cats are kind of vulnerable.
What happened?
He ran.
Oh, the big.
Oh, big cat came.
Oh, babe.
Look at her. No.
It's mother cat, I think. I'm here.
Look at that, what these guys are doing.
Yay! Now our water's.
I touched a piece of it and it just like disappeared.
I want bubbles on my hair. I want some bubbles on my hair.
I'm gonna much bubble it. Stop putting bubbles. Stop putting bubbles. I'll put it on.
Now, be great. Now I just shape it up. Shape it up.
I love shape.
Shape it up to a big boy.